And we're gonna play for you a tune, and I call
Ego Trip, Ego Trip,
Mercy,
Ego Trip, Ego Trip,
Mercy,
Ego Trip, Ego Trip, Ego Trip,
Ego
yuck, big truck, a man's rolling in town. How you do? How you do? I got the truck to make you jump. Big up the head and knees bound. Tired of the merry-go-round and around. And everybody's talking about your stuff funny, but they still telling lies to me. I got the trees in my backyard, and it's hard for them to tell a lie to me. And who's the foot? I'm the foot, but who's stepping? You know where I'm stepping. Skirts play with it cause I'm slick like that. I'm the greatest MC in the world. You got to give me mine cause I'm heavy when I weigh it. Watch the way I say it.
Ego Trip.
I changed my pitch up, smack my bitch up, I never did it. The flavor's being bucked, but brothers ain't getting it, get it? Or else you're gonna, when I rolls over, you're gonna have to wanna land. Cause it's the Chattanooga champ, taking a train, taking a train, taking a train, taking a train.
Now I'm something like a phenomenon. I'm something like a phenomenon. Well, I'm the hourglass cat, drug it out of Jack
For chill.
Cause I still the phenomenon. Pack the holes in my lawn. Got girls in my song. Word is born, I'm a living phenomenon. Well, I'm a better brand, cause I'm a Superman. I run the block with my circle cause I'm Nubian. I got the platinum rust, so don't even fuss. Cause DJ Paul, he's down with us. Now people stop taking my style and for a joke I don't sass or frass. I put the foot up the ass. Sometimes I fast, walk off like a seal.
When they reminisce over you.
For real. Mace chop the record down to the bone. And now Renee King is on my telephone. But I got the ring, ha ha, hey, hey.
Cause this type of shit happens every day.
I got the McNair connection, so my import stuff. Word, I'm up. Cause I'm so fly.
Yes, on and on. I'm in like John. Ride my yacht. I got deals like Johnny. Sell that 7L. We're good for ya. Bigger than bigs. Dig it. I dug it. Ways that amazes popes. I am the is equals is cause it's caught up when the tide taught me the ropes. No weights for the base. Man, I'll give you 4 for a verb unheard of. Man, give me one more. Alright, you got it if you're special with a dab of toe tapping when a lot's going on. Ain't a damn thing happening. The answer to the riddle is me. And here's the question: who could be? 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 Who could be?